What we believe as the government is that we have a role. Canadians expect Canada to play a constructive role on the world stage. We need to be a champion for human rights. We need to carry the voice of the voiceless around the world. We need to make sure that their rights are protected. We need to put pressure on governments around the world to ensure that their people are respected and heard and live in dignity. And one of the ways of doing that, Mr. Speaker, is also by setting an example here at home. I don't want to miss that point, Mr. Speaker. It's really important, if we want to set an example, if we want to send a message to the rest of the world, that we here in Canada first acknowledge our mistakes of the past and, frankly, our current challenges, and set a roadmap to dealing with these issues. Whether when it comes to dealing with how to reconcile with our Indigenous people, whether how to set the law straight on transgender rights, whether protecting women's right to choose, whether protecting women's right to choose how to dress. These are fundamental rights that, frankly, the members of the Conservative Party are still struggling with. They're still unable to figure out where they stand on these issues. In fact, I know some members of the Conservative Party oppose these rights. We have currently a leadership candidate of the Conservative Party who is going around promoting xenophobia, and that's her way of thinking of winning the leadership of the Conservative Party. So, you know, Mr. Speaker, if we really want to send a message to the rest of the world that we are champions of human rights, we need to do that at home. And I encourage my honourable colleagues to deal with these issues, to deal with these skeletons in their closets, to fix their problems, to make sure that their next leader believes in human rights here at home. And that's how they can be effective when they champion human rights abroad.